Hello everyone, we're back with another cool strategy. In this video, I will explain two indicators that we can use to take a sell position in the price ceiling and a buy position in the price floor and make a lot of profit. So stay with me until the end of the video. Before I explain the strategy, I would be happy if you subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you can be informed of the latest videos. Don't forget to leave a comment and let me know how useful this video was for you. This strategy works well on Forex, crypto, and stock markets. You can choose any symbol you like and choose a time frame from 1 minute to 5 minutes. My recommended time frame is 5 minutes, but you can change it according to your backtests. Now, go to the Indicator tab and search for Oscillator for buying and selling. When you find it, click on it and add it to your chart. This indicator has many colors, but only two are important for us. Orange, which we use as signals for our buy orders, and blue, which we use as signals for our sell orders. Now it is enough to add the most important indicator of this strategy to the chart. For this, go to the Indicator tab and search for Buy the Dip, Sell the Top. Click on it. Go to its settings and apply the changes. This indicator is wonderful, and as you can see, it gives signals where the prices don't cross that limit anymore. And it's kind of like support and resistance levels, with the difference being that it gives accurate signals. Now that I have told you all the indicators, it is enough to explain to you how to enter the trade. Here, as you can see, we have a sell signal on the buy the top indicator, and the next candle is red and bearish. It is enough to go to the oscillator indicator and check that at this point its color is blue. So here all conditions are met. Place a sell order and set the stop loss above the previous high of the market. And the risk to reward ratio will be 1 to 1.5. As you can see, the trade is closed with profit. To place buy orders, look for buy signals. We found one here, and the candles are green and bullish. So it is enough that the color on the oscillator indicator is orange, like here. Now, we place the buy order at this point and set the stop loss below the previous low of the market. And the risk to reward ratio will be 1 to 1.5. As you can see, the trade is closed with profit. As you can see here, we have a buy signal, but the next candle is red, so we should not enter the trade. Here, we see a sell signal, but the next candle is green, so we must pay attention to the color of the candles after the signals. This strategy is simple and practical, and I hope you can make good profits with it. See you in the next video.